I slept. For the first time in a long time, I slept. Thanks to Auntie Aduke. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So we're gonna do a survey of all the things that my auntie made for me, and I'm just flabbergasted. To be honest, that's an understatement. When I came into the kitchen and I saw some of this stuff, it's crazy. It's actually crazy. My sister and auntie for life. Let me show you. Check this out. This is chicken. This is eforiwo. And this is the style of the show. Radiance cookware. Wait. Imagine my jollof rice. There's a difference when you're taken care of, when you're spoiled by your auntie. What do you have to say for yourself?
Do I really have much to say? I don't really have much to say. Then I'm happy. I'm glad that I'm able to come here to assist, and I'm glad to see you sleep.
For the first time,
I'm glad.
I left and I slept. I slept in the middle of the day. I've not done that in a long time.
Yeah,
And
okay.
I just want to say thank you, Auntie.
You're welcome, sweetie.
God bless you.
Any day, anytime. Okay.
We're going to taste her creation. We're going to taste it. Gosh, this looks amazing. Fluffy. Jesus.
Atina is even. She's saying something.
Wow. She's. Wow. Wow. Nigerian jollof. Nigerian koboko. Sweet like my goto. My kibe gorogo. Ah. Mm. Let me try the for real. Wow.
Don't mind your mama.
Wow.
Don't mind that, okay? Don't mind that.
Sauce.
Don't mind that. Don't mind Korra.
I'm blessed beyond measure.
Korra, you're something else.
Let me try the plantains. Mambo. I have been spoiled today. Not only did she cook for me, she gave me enough space so that I could go and sleep. You know, I have not slept in the day since I gave birth to And for someone to give you so much peace of mind as a mom that you can go and sleep, then you know that you are taken care of.
This man that is sweet.
She's going to go now.
To be back in few.
Thank you, Auntie Min. God bless you.
Oh, Papa. Relax, okay?
Yes.
Give me a call if anything. You need anything, you want anything, give me a call. If I can bring it myself, it will be sent to you. Okay?
Yes, ma. Thank you, ma.
You're welcome, sweet.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Amen. So I'm thinking, should I just leave this one till next? Okay, let me leave this one.
I don't need a bit one, no.
I'm gonna do the sugar.
Okay.
Yeah, so when next time I come, I'll be making the puff puff.
Yes.
I'll take this, I'll bring the smaller one, I'll drop this too. So I'll take this one right now.
Thank you, ma.
You're welcome. So the remote, how do I open it downstairs?
Oh, your car. It's like I'm gonna have to. You have the remote, Abby?
Yeah, it's right here with me now.
You're gonna have to bring it back. You're gonna have to bring it back.
Okay, yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that. Let me take it out, then I'll come back upstairs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, it's why not? So sorry for what. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Okay. Thank you, ma.
All right, so.
I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Look at my face. I'm so grateful because I'm so tired all the time. But today I got to sleep. I got to sleep. In the middle of the day, I slept. I have a kitchen full of food. Wow. Let's take a scan of our food again. Look at this. A whole pot of Nigerian jollof. Eforiru. Chicken. That is. Fluffy basmati rice. Basmati jollof. Are you pooping? You're pooping. You're pooping. Then you're pooping. You're vengefully pooping. To go change her diaper. She has given us back to back to back to back to back. Oh shit. Now we they run this town. Now we they run this town. Dorime. She my pikin go join courts. You want to bamba. You want to chill with the big boys. When you the wrong kitty kitty, you the wrong kata kata. And if you drink water, drop cup. Ha. Hey. She's able. She see how the thing go. Oh, you actually make a blend you. And who? eaten today. My stomach is saying Korra. Hey mama. Hey mama. You okay? Athena, the goddess of wisdom and war. Athena, I love you forever and more. Athena, my baby, I love you so. Athena, the goddess of wisdom and war. Athena, I love you forever and more. Athena, my baby, my baby. Oh my God, I don't think I have a picture like this with Athena. You guys screenshot it. Screenshot it. My queen. Look this way. Athena. Ewo. Ewo. You okay, mama? Oh, my melanin. Melanin, just a pop, pop, pop. And I know that you want, baby. Is she answering me?
You wanna come there? I'm gonna quickly pee.
Okay. Thank you, ma.
Let me put it back.
Okay.
Let me quickly pee.
Athena, the goddess of wisdom and war. Athena, I love you forever and more. Athena, my baby. The goddess of wisdom and war. Athena.